Good day, cadets, and welcome to your first tutorial on Ubuntu Linux. I am your commanding officer speaking, and I'm just going to go over the basics of the Ubuntu Desktop. Ubuntu, like most other GUI desktops, graphical user interface, have followed the same structure. So, here on the left-hand side is known as the launcher. And this launcher is where you would open up your programs, your applications. And what is shown when the application is active is the application will be highlighted. So for example, as we can see, we have the Chromium web browser. It is highlighted in blue, indicating that it is currently open at the moment. So I'm going to click on that, and we have it open. We also know that it is currently open, indicated by the small little triangle on the right hand side. So I'm just going to close this. Okay. Here at the top of the screen is the taskbar, and the icons that you see on the taskbar within Ubuntu Linux includes the following. This right here with the arrows is the network indicator, and this will change depending on how your network is set up. So for example, currently right now I'm using a wired connection, so this is indicated here with the arrows. If I was using a wireless connection, then it will show like the wireless logo. So I'm just going to click on the wireless, or sorry, the network indicator, and here we have the name of our network, the fact that the network is enabled, and the connection information. So I'm going to click on that. So here we have the network data. So I'm going to close that. Right next to it, we have this icon that says EN. This is the keyboard language selector. Now, by default, it's going to be set to English United States, English US. But say, for example, if you're living in Canada and you want to alternate between English and French, this is where you do so. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, we have what our keyboard selection is. So currently selected to English US. And we can change the character map, we can change the keyboard layout, and we can change the text entry settings. Right next to it, we have the volume control, very self-explanatory. So we can control the volume, control the mic levels, and here we have applications that use volume. So we have our video browser, so VCO media player, and then we got our sound settings. So you click on that, and you can turn on and off the sound, or mute it in this case. Right here we have the clock and the time. Click on that, and we have the calendar, also your current location. And this gear little icon is the system settings. So here we have about the computer, which is also where you will be able to install updates and give you just general information about your system as a whole. So As of right now, I am currently running Ubuntu 1604 LTS. LTS stands for long-term support, and this this version of Ubuntu is supported for 5 years, and it's offered twice a year. So as of right now, this version of Ubuntu was released last year, so the next LTS version will be released in 2018. So as I mentioned before, the About This Computer would list the name of your device. You can change this anytime you want. So it's going to just type in some random stuff. So computer 1001. The RAM, the processor that you're using, graphics card, what type of OS you're using, and how much disk space you're using. And as I mentioned before, this is also where you'll be able to install any available updates. So I'm just going to do that for now, because why not? Okay. So while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to show you the other areas of the system setting. So we have the help, which just bring you a help repository on just using Ubuntu. Okay. You can lock the system. So say you're leaving your desk and you don't want anyone to gain access to your system. So you click on that and this would lock it. So I'm just going to do that now. So the system is now locked, so I'm just going to go back in. Okay. And here we have our login log off method. So log off basically logs your session off but keeps your computer on. Suspend, not really familiar with suspend. Shutdown, very self-explanatory, allows you to shut down and restart your system. So as shown here. Okay. Now other areas of Ubuntu include, as you can see here, the Ubuntu symbol. So if you click on the Ubuntu symbol, this would open the HUD, and this shows you basically allows you to get access to your documents and applications within your system. This is very similar to the Start button for Windows. We have here what we call our themes, and the themes that we have is application. We have the home. We have documents. Video and audio. From the looks of it, I think this is video. Music and audio, and photos. So, for example, say that I want to look for a Word document. So I'm just to type in Word. Wharf. You are without honor. So I'm going to type in Word. And by doing that, any documents that are that has the phrase Word, or anything that's Word based would show up. So I don't know why it's not showing up, so let me try that again. So as of right now, we have all. So I just typed in Word, and just by doing that, all Word documents or Word docs have been opened up, including the word processing application. So by default, it is LibreOffice Writer. So if I type in something specific like calculator or cow, anything beginning with the word CAL will just show up. And as we can see, we have calculator, we have calendar, and all other applications that follow the words CA. Other ways to access the HUD is by pressing the power key, uh, also known as the Windows key if you are using a Windows keyboard, and that would open up the HUD, and by clicking on that again we'll shut it down. So, cadets, this